Welcome to Make It in the Emirates 2026, the UAE's flagship industrial platform taking place in Abu Dhabi. And quite simply, this is where the country's economic future is being actively built, bringing together government leaders, global manufacturers, investors, innovators. The event sits at the intersection of policy, capital, and execution, turning strategy into real, tangible industrial growth. Now, there's simply a lot to see here at Make It in the Emirates 2026, and one is a project by the Abu Dhabi-based company K2, and it's called Theeb. Now, Theeb will be a Abu Dhabi-built 4x4 project that is built here from the ground up for the UAE, built in the UAE. Now, initially, they're planning to have these on the streets by next year, and they'll have three options, three trim levels. You'll have the entry base level, you'll have an extreme sport off-road, and then you'll have a luxury model. They are being planned to be powered by 2-liter twin-turbo engines with 550 brake horsepower and 720 Newton meters of torque. But essentially, what's very important about this particular project is that these are 4x4s designed in the UAE for the UAE to conquer whatever that might come their way. Now, Micropolis is also another very, very interesting company here at Make It in the Emirates. And I do remember reporting on them last year. They had just opened on the New York Stock Exchange. And of course, since then, the company has gone from strength to strength. They produce autonomous AI-driven vehicles, whether it's a participation with Dubai Police or it's for the agriculture and environmental sectors. They are tightly knit with the UAE government across many, many angles. Now, today, we're going to be talking to the founder to find out what has happened since last year and what are some of the new developments that have happened.
The idea was to create a robot that drives like a patrol but thinks like a police officer. The project now in final stage. We deployed a few units last year in Global Village and Kite Beach. Today we are focusing on AI detection systems where we can actually deploy the same AI on the robots and on the CCTV cameras. Of course, the system actually equipped with facial recognition, behavior analysis, suspect matters, criminal logic, ANPR. All those actually they will be utilized to boost safety and security in Dubai city.
Well, autonomous vehicles have been a theme here at Make It in the Emirates, and this year is no exception. I'm standing here right in front of MLG Multi-Level Group, which is a company that operates under the Savvy cluster with audio. And what they produce are homegrown autonomous vehicles. Some of these vehicles are used as air taxis. They also have autonomous air cargo vehicles as well as firefighting vehicles. At a time when global supply chains are being reshaped, platforms like this are increasingly critical, reinforcing resilience, accelerating localization, and positioning the UAE not just as a marketplace, but as a manufacturing powerhouse. I'm Al Sarper, reporting for Economy, Middle East.